morning everyone. I just want to update you on our remote learning delivery. Thanks to all of you for your positive feedback that we received, both praising our teachers and support staff for the quality of the lessons being taught. We're aiming for our students, whilst following their usual timetable, to experience a significant number of live aspects to their lessons in all of their subjects. This will include maybe a live introduction, teachers modelling learning, PowerPoints, recorded lessons, and also opportunities for interactive questioning and answering. I've been impressed with the live chat contributions from the students and ask you to encourage your child to play an active part in the lesson. In fact, the remote learning experience in some cases has offered a better platform where students feel able to contribute with team chats rather more than in face-to-face lesson opportunities. The blended learning offered by the teacher is exactly that, with them offering a range of different learning experiences that hopefully meet the needs of a variety of learning preferences from their students. Within school, we've had on average 65 students in each day under the Key Worker Vulnerable Children category. They're doing remote learning from school under teacher supervision. In terms of positive feedback, as I stated last week, the remote learning is under constant review and subject to ongoing refinement. Teachers themselves are learning new teaching delivery constantly. We requested some feedback on offer and a survey has been undertaken looking at our initial remote provision. When asked to rate our provision, parents have rated it 4.4 out of 5. Obviously, my staff and I are pleased that their efforts were having impact, but also agreed that this wouldn't lead to complacency. Our overriding aim is to have better provision than any other school. Students have already missed a considerable amount of schooling in the last lockdown, and our ambition is to provide an impactful learning experience. If it's taken on board by our students, it will fill in some of those gaps in knowledge and skills. So the main positive points were: timetable and live lessons offer you child routine that you wouldn't otherwise get. Appreciative of the live aspects of the lesson, offering opportunities for variety and social interaction. You like the regular and clear communication that the school has provided for both students and parents. Now we've got some areas to develop. Teachers in future will schedule live lessons in advance. In addition, some parents were concerned regarding homework, and therefore we've agreed as a school that work that is a continuation of the lesson is fine, but no additional homework will be set. We're also working on providing a single way to upload and feedback work to the teachers. Your staff question and assessment of the child's progress and lessons will actually be developed further. And I now want to show you a small clip of an example of a live remote learning lesson to give you an idea how it is actually being delivered. You might not always have access to your child's learning at home. I have children myself, and some children find it very, very difficult of sharing that experience with their parents. Hopefully, this clip will give you an idea of what your child is experiencing every day. This is a live maths lesson and it's delivered by Miss Lee.
I'm going to ask a question in a second, so can all four of you make sure that you're ready to answer a question? So, can you tell me please, what would you do to answer question 3?
So the numbers before the x it has to add to 3, and then it has to times to make 2.
Fantastic. So using our bricks, because I know some of you are still using those to help you, we're going to add and we're going to multiply. So we're going to add to make 3 and we're going to times to make 2. And we know the only two numbers that works for is +1 and +2. Okay, thank you. Can you explain question 4 for me, please?
So you have to rearrange it so that X is the subject. So you take away C first, and then you
Good.
divide it by M.
Good, well done. So we need to get rid of this C that's on its own first. I'm going to take that from both sides, and I get y minus C equals mx. And then we want x on its own, so we need to get rid of the m. So I divide by m, and I get y minus C over m equals x. You'll have to excuse my rubbish writing, guys. Thank you very much. And can you explain question 7 for me, please?
So it's a ratio. So first you have to add the two sides of the ratio together to get 7, and then I think then you divide 42 by 7 to get what like 1 would be,
Good.
and then you just times 6 by 2 and times 6 by 5.
Good. So we've got 2 lots of the 6 on that side, which is 12, and 5 lots of the 6, which is 30. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, hope you've enjoyed the videos. Make sure you're watching out on social media and engaging with all of the learning resources and everything that's going on for you. We will be in contact if you're not engaging in your lessons, and do make sure you let us know if there's anything else we can do to help.
Henley-in-Arden School, achieving excellence together.